when you decide to put up anything naman kasi it's not about money, no. Siguro din ako din, it's not really about the passion din ako, no. Kung put up ng business, no, it's really the opportunity. What I've learned from this past years na I've been in the business pala, it's really yung opportunity na andyan, no, na pinresent sa'yo. Kasi I was looking into kung ano bang pwedeng business, ano bang pwedeng, na gawin. So walang nagsabi until such time na a friend of mine nandito sa Araneta Center, kasi my flower shop right now, who's been in the business sabi mga for 21 years, is in Araneta Center. Wow. So it really started in Araneta Center. So sabi ng friend ko, okay, I have may pwesto dito, no? So sabi ko, I really don't know about flowers. Wala akong alam dyan, as in. Sabi niya, no. Alam mo, sabi niya, kailangan mo lang na mag-provide ka ng capital, no? I'll help you. Kasi sabi niya, maganda yung business ng flower shop.
Wow.
No? So, that was parang, yung kinoconsider ko na opportunity that was given to me.